Okay, so it's day one. We are pressure washing to paint and stain the outside of this house. So Bo's pressure washing right now. We're gonna go around and get it all clean. All the paint. Alright, so the reason you're gonna want to go around and pressure wash before you apply any stain or paint is to make sure it's all clean, everything will stick nice and good. It's been sitting here for a while, so there's a lot of cobwebs, a lot of dirt. And we just want to make sure that our surface area is prepped and ready for our paint and our stain.
What's up? Bo Lehman here, Kindle film person right behind you. We're out here doing a paint job today, so we're going to spray all the shutters that you're seeing at the front door, any of the brown garage doors. We're going to do it with it's called green black. And so the reason why we spray is because we can go a lot faster versus us trying to pull all that. It would take us, 2 days, 3 days, and we can get out here and tape it off in an hour, hour and a half, and then have it sprayed within an hour. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of show you the process. We're going to show you how to use a hand masker to make it fast for you, and then we'll show you obviously how to spray and what tips to use, and we'll go from there. So right here we have our 3M hand masker. These things can run, I think, at like 30 to 50 bucks. It's the best investment ever because taping it off of just tape and then going back to plastics to paint, so you can do this all in one. It's kind of nice. It has little blades here. Just pull it out, set it down, grab it. I'll run it right up next to those. Like that. Get it on there pretty good. Do it again. And we'll just keep doing this all the way around the house. So we can go around, we'll tape off this entire house or all the shutters here within, say 30 minutes. We'll have everything taped off and be ready to spray. Whenever we used to do this by hand, and didn't have hand maskers and all that, it would take us a full day just to get all prepped and everything. So, super easy, check it out. Make sure your tape on when you're overlapping that tape, that they're straight so you don't have jagged lines all the way down. And then like right now we're on a stucco house, so I'm using a stucco tape. I'm not gonna use it on the windows. I just usually use frog tape for everything. The green frog tape roll works perfect on wood floors, anything that we're doing. So stucco tape, and then we're going to do this all the way around the window and get it all taped off.
So now everything has been taped off and it's ready to spray. Went around and primed the bottom of these because they're peeling pretty bad. Scraped those. Went around and caulked all these lines around the garage. So it's good to go. We're about to spray.